Hello everybody and welcome to a very quiet Gerrards Cross station on the Chiltern Mainline. We'll be seeing services from Chiltern Railways, and if we are extremely lucky we may even see some freight as well. For a Sunday the 17th of July it is very quiet. I expected it to be very busy. It looks like everyone is at home, staying cool. It is not that hot right now, it's about 25, 26, so tomorrow it's expected to be warmer.
The next train at platform 2 is the delayed 1314 service to London Marylebone, calling at Denham, Wembley Stadium and London Marylebone. This train is formed of 4 carriages.
Well, there you go, we've got a delayed service already. I just got off here from High Wycombe and we've got a delayed service to London Marylebone. Which we'll be calling, as you heard, at Denham, Wembley Stadium and London Marylebone. We'll be seeing that arrive shortly. It's got a yellow signal. Yeah. Alright, in the distance is the service to London Marylebone. Listen to this growl it's going to make. This is very weird for a diesel train. Listen. 165014 at the front. Nice. Alright, leaving now for London Marylebone is the service of Chiltern Railways. Come on, give us a tone. Something, give us a tone. One 165028 at the back, going through that really nice tunnel. I really like it, it's stylish, and it's making that sound that Class 700s, Class 87s make, and Class 245 sometimes, which is strange. I think it's the wheels, but anyway, yeah, that's calling at Denham and Wembley Stadium, and then London, and then you're pretty much there. Next on platform 1, which is where I'm on, will be a service to High Wycombe, which is coming in right now. This is the service 1328, service to London Marylebone, High Wycombe, 165011. And 165022. Right, leaving now for High Wycombe is the service to High Wycombe. Sorry, I had to cut there. Some people don't want me caught on camera. 165022. Looking dapper as always, 165, and that's going to High Wycombe, and that's only one of the 3 trains per hour, I think, on both directions. You get one to Oxford, one to High Wycombe, and another to Banbury, or I don't think Birmingham trains. And we now have a service approaching from Birmingham Moor Street, which won't be stopping here, so we're going to see that. I passed. Okay, passing by is a service to London Marylebone from Birmingham Moor Street. Come on, horn. Well, that was 168109 at the front and 168110 at the back, working the service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. Nice. Okay, entering that tunnel now is a service that is stopping here on platform 1. It is the 1336 or 1337 service to Oxford, calling at Beaconsfield, High Wycombe, Princess Risborough, Hedman Tame Parkway, Bicester Village, Oxford Parkway and Oxford. You can hear it now probably. That is a 165. Thought it would be a 168, but it isn't. Formed of 3 coaches. Here at Gerrards Cross. Yeah, 165. That's 165 034. Nice. Bound for Oxford. Leaving now is 165034 to Oxford. Off it goes. I'll try zooming in if I can. You know what, even though the quick picture quality is not amazing, I'll just zoom in whenever possible. Anyway, that is going to be calling at Beaconsfield next, so have a safe journey to Oxford, which is about an hour away from here. Also down there here is the M25. No, hang on. So it's just about a mile or so down there. It's not too far, probably half a mile. But anyway, let's spot some more trains. Well, that with a honk, a Class 168 is about to arrive here for London Marylebone. I don't know why he pulled the turn that far away. I wanted him to pull it while I was train spotting. I'm now moving back because I want to see this 168. It's making this growl sound again. Calling at London Marylebone only. Come on, my God. This guy might love a little tone or two. It's 5 coaches long, so it's not bad. Not too long, but not too short as well. The front is 168327. And at the back is 168113. So the 168/3 used to be a 170 for East EMR, but Chiltern Railways transferred it. So we'll see this leave. About to leave is a double 168 with the thrash, hopefully. Here we go. Okay, I'm not sure what that woo 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 sound was. The engine might be overheating or something. I don't know. Going into that tunnel. Let's zoom in. Hang on. There it goes. No idea why it's making that sound. But anyways, move on. Yeah. So yeah, off that goes. Non-stop to London. Easy. Alright, approaching in now, let me just zoom in, is a double 3-car 165. Sorry about that. Let's make a 6-car 165. Arriving, unless that's 168. Hang on, I can't see. No, it's 165. 6-car service to Oxford from London Marylebone. Here we are. My bad, it is a 3-car formation train, very long, stretches all the way down there. Yeah. Leaving now is the 1402 Class 165 service to Oxford. Nice. So that was 165030 at the front, 165003 in the middle, and 165023 at the rear. And I'll be calling at Beaconsfield, High Wycombe. Oh god, I've forgotten now. Princess Risma, Hadner and Tame Parkway, Bicester Village, Islip, Oxford Parkway, and Oxford. So that trip is going to take about, like I said before, about an hour. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. Let's move on to the next one. I'd also just like to say that if you are on the rails tomorrow and Tuesday, tomorrow being the 18th and Tuesday being the 19th of July 2022, please stay hydrated, please avoid travelling on train while possible, and spread this on to your friends and peers as well around YouTube. Please share this message, thank you. I'm saying this because I'd like to help us all out as a community. I don't want people fainting on trains and stuff, we hate seeing that, so take extra care is the overall point I'm making. Yeah. Alright, not stopping at this station is a class 168. Sorry if I missed that. My finger got stuck on the zoom. Sorry guys, but anyway, yeah, that one is off to Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. Calling at High Wycombe for the first one, then Hadnam, then Bicester, then Banbury, blah 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 blah, and then Birmingham in the next hour and a half maybe. So yeah. Okay, arriving in now is a 165, pair of 165s, probably maybe 3 for London Marylebone. Calling at Denham, Wembley Stadium and London Marylebone. I'm not zooming in after last time. Gonna wave at him. It doesn't matter. He's gonna go all the way to the end of the platform. 165038. 1, 2, 3. It's a double 165. We'll see that leave. Leaving now, which I will zoom in later, it is service to London Marylebone. One 165038 and 165036. Making that growl again. I love this tunnel, it's really nice. Nice. Once again, calling at Denham and Wembley Stadium, then London. Boom. Nice. Coming in now is a service to London Marylebone from High Wycombe, calling at literally every single station to London, which is Denham Golf Club, Denham, West Ruislip, South Ruislip, Northolt Park, Wembley Stadium and London Marylebone, formed of 2 or 3 coaches, I can't remember. And the other way, down here at the same time, is a service to High Wycombe, calling at Sea Green and Jordan's, Gerrards Cross, Sea Green and Jordan's, Beaconsfield and High Wycombe, terminating there. Come from London Marylebone. So we've got, nice, we've got both at the same time. Rather odd for the Chiltern Mainline. Both of them are stopping. We've got a pair of 165s this way. That's 4 cars, and a 2-car 165 this way. 165007 is this one. It's going to go all the way to the end, and 165022 is the other one. This one's going to High Wycombe. And over there is a 1652 London Marylebone. I'm going to keep recording, because why not? This is not occasional where you see a pair of 165s together and it looks like this 165 to London is about to leave. Got 165022. And 165011 working the High Wycombe to London Marylebone service. Next up for that is Denham Golf Club. Have fun on your very long trip to London. This one's about to go to High Wycombe, 165007, 2 cars. I think that was just waiting for the other London train to go. And off it goes. Looking good as always. 165 are still going good with their commuter service, albeit their age of about 25 and something years old. So, yep. And once again, we are back to a deserted platform 2 and a fairly deserted platform 1. Basically a deserted station overall. So, yeah, nice. And next little clip will be a passing 168 to London, I think. Okay, arriving here is the 1438, delayed by about 10 minutes. Class 165 to Oxford, calling at Beaconsfield, High Wycombe, Princess Risborough, Haddon and Maintain Parkway, Bicester Village, Oxford Parkway and Oxford. From London Marylebone, of course. 4 coaches. So it's just emerging from that tunnel. I noticed on Sundays they just slap a couple of 165s in. And they put the 168s in the for the Birmingham services. So you've got 165028. I thought I saw that earlier for some reason. Okay, this is a busy train. 165014. Nice. Passing through here at around 100 miles an hour is A Class 168 from Birmingham Wall Street to London Marylebone, Chiltern Railways. It's a 168/0 Clubman. Yes! My guy! 168002. Cheers for the tone, you legend. Phew. Okay, that is off to London Marylebone and is non-stop there from High Wycombe. So yeah, nice, and we managed to get a tone. So yeah. And from bad to worse, there is a delayed by 11 minutes service to London Marylebone from Oxford. The announcer has told us that it is currently stuck at High Wycombe because of a fault with the signalling system. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, so that is just, what can you say? It's unfortunate, but it doesn't matter. We'll just continue spotting trains like normal. Just, yeah, when some of them being delayed. Remember, 15 minutes means you can claim compensation, which is nice. So yeah. Arriving in now is that 11-minute service I was talking about. 11-minute delayed by 11 minutes. 1447 service to London Marylebone from Oxford, calling at London Marylebone only. Formed of a pair of 165s. And that's on platform 2 with a green signal. So this was held up because of a signal failure. Or, didn't say signal failure, I said signal problem, but still. 165017 at the front. We'll see the back when we see this leave. And straight away leaving after closing its doors is a pair of 165s. Service to... Whoa! Thank you! What a legend! And 165008 at the back. Freaking hell! Two-tone, what a legend! Anyway, that is non-stop to London Marylebone, currently running 11 minutes late, which could be reduced if it gains speed. So, yeah, off it goes through the tunnel and out to London. Another service stopping here, Chiltern Railway service to Oxford. Can see if I can try my luck again. From London, calling at Beaconsfield, High Wycombe, Princess Risborough, Haddon and Maintain Parkway, Bicester Village, Oxford Parkway and Oxford. Is that 165? Yeah, it's 165. 165031. And 165039. Yeah, nice. Departing now is a double 165 to Oxford. $165,039 at the back. Oh, I said that already, but no harm in repeating the unit numbers. Looking dapper as always. We love 165s. Well, I like them. I think they're pretty cool. Next stop is Beaconsfield. Nice. Seeing a lot of trains for a Sunday, but that could be just normal. Don't go spotting that much, so I guess that's understandable. But yeah, let's pursue our train spotting journey, spotting some more trains. Right, fast approaching Gerrards Cross is a 168. Let's see if I can wave at him. $168,109 and $168,329 on its way to Birmingham. Bit unlucky there, didn't get a 2-tone or a 1-tone. I like the 165 and 168, but it doesn't matter. Next up for that is Wycombe, High Wycombe, and then it'll be Princess Risborough, Haddenham, Banbury, Bicester, Warwick, Dorridge, Solihull, and then Birmingham, Moore Street. I know I'm missing a few stations, but yeah, not too long till I'm at this station. I'll spot one more train, I think, and then I'll leave. Okay, arriving here 9 minutes late again due to the signal problem at High Wycombe is the delayed 1514 service to London Marylebone. Formed by 165s, it's going to be 6 cars, so either it's 3 165s or it's 2 165s. And it'll be calling at Denham and Wembley Stadium, then straight to London. $165,005 at the front. So it's 3 165s from Oxford with a new logo right here. Nice, we'll see this leave soon. Okay, about to leave Gerrards Cross for London Marylebone. It's the delayed service. I didn't bother catching the middle unit for some reason, but the last unit is 165010. And off it goes. To London. Looking nice. Okay, arriving in is another Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone from High Wycombe. 2 coaches. So apparently these delays are mainly affecting the eastbound platform to London, so that's a mix of heat, I think, and what was the other one? It's a mix of heat and it's a mix of the signal problem at High Wycombe. So this is just a 1652 coach to London Marylebone calling at, here we go, Denham Golf Club, Denham, West Ruislip, South Ruislip, North Old Park, Wembley Stadium and London Marylebone. Going to be stopping just here. It's not going to go all the way like the other 6-car train. And yeah, as I repeat again, it's just come from High Wycombe. So nice. No train is going to Aylesbury today because the line from Princess Risborough to Aylesbury branch is closed. So yeah, 165,007. Yeah, nice. We'll see that leave soon. Okay, about to leave now. It's 165,007. To London Marylebone. And And arriving here is a 165036. That caught me by surprise too. I think this is off to High Wycombe, or it could be off to Oxford. Anyway, off this one goes. This one's actually off to High Wycombe. So, looking nice, 165036. Caught me by surprise there. Yeah, and leaving is 165036 bound for High Wycombe. I will correct myself if I get this destination wrong, because I didn't expect there to be a train arriving here. It could be delayed. And there's a fast train approaching, I believe. So, nice. And abruptly, I'm going to have to end the train spotting here because my train is fast approaching from London to Oxford. So thanks all very much for watching. Please do make sure to press like and subscribe and comment down below how you found it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video soon. So this is me from Gerrards Cross. Take care, guys. And bye-bye.